This is the most profitable channel on YouTube. Merbeast. Bloggers earn from YouTube advertising. He can make a fortune at most in a month. Over $10 million in advertising revenue. And that's not counting the costs of external advertiser. Just make money from YouTube ads. The highest annual income is more than 120 million US dollars. We know it's an American English channel. We know YouTube's popularity is all over the world. It is also the self-media website with the largest traffic. We can see through SimilarWeb. The most visited YouTube users are from the United States, followed by India, Russia, Brazil, Japan, and other countries. But if we could copy his channel content, then translate it into other countries' languages, I believe that the number of plays he has received in other countries must also be very high, because it is very popular content in itself. So how do we copy and paste? Just make a video like this. Earn advertising revenue on YouTube. Or you can also cooperate with bloggers to make translations into hundreds of languages. Produce videos in different language styles to obtain high playback volume and advertising revenue. If you are interested in today's topic, then remember to follow me. Start now. Hello, I'm Timmy. My channel focuses on sharing ideas about AI making money and the topic of making money online. If you're interested in these topics, so be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and you won't miss my latest share. Merbeast's channel content. They are all challenge videos. And just this video from 6 days ago, it has more than 80 million views. So every one of his videos. The traffic is very scary and hot. If it can be translated into multiple languages, it must be equally as hot. Let's take a look at the playback volume of his short video. The playback volume is also very high. I just watched this video. His play volume is 129 million views. Actually, we just need to copy and paste. You can translate its short videos into videos in multiple languages. We just need now. Click on his video. Let's click this share button. Copy this link. We come to the AI toolbox. Find this is a create videos translated into multiple languages with one click. This tool, let's click in. Now we just need to click to upload the video. Paste the link you just made here. It will automatically recognize your video. And then we just need to select here. Language used. We don't need to choose here. Just need it to get it automatically. Also, what language is your video in? It automatically detects. Then what language do you want to translate it into? There are many languages to choose from here. So there can be hundreds of national languages here. Can provide us with choices. We chose German. So then we just need click to translate. We just have to wait for him to create your video. Here I see that he has already created my video and translated into both English and German. If you want to translate to other languages, we can click this to create a new language. Now I can choose more languages for translation, or I can translate it into Chinese. So choose Chinese. We then click on it to create Chinese. We can compare the old video with the newly translated video. What is the effect of this?
I have a $10,000 steak and a $1 steak. And whichever steak Ellie doesn't eat, I will eat the other one. And this looks like barf, so hopefully she picks that one. This is the $10,000 one. Oh, she is eyeing it. This is probably the best steak she's ever smelled. This is the $1 one. You like it? Oh, she's already, no, look at this one. Ellie, which one are you going for?
Let's take a look at old videos. That is, the video effect in German.
Ein Steak für $10.000 und ein Steak für $1. Und welches Steak Ellie auch immer nicht isst, ich werde das andere essen. Und das hier sieht aus wie Kotze, also hoffentlich nimmt sie das. Das ist das $10.0 Steak. Oh, sie starrt es an. Das ist wahrscheinlich das beste Steak, das sie je gerochen hat. Das hier ist das $1 Steak. Schmeckt es dir? Oh, sie isst schon. Nein, sieh dir das an. Ellie, für welches entscheidest du?
We can see that the effect he produced is indeed very good, and his speeches are also very synchronized. We can still click this button to synchronize lip sync with the video. If you think his speech, if his voice doesn't match his mouth shape enough, we can also detect. We can also click to detect. Let him redetect and match the mouth shape of the video. Let's download this video. It's that simple. Video MP4 we can choose. Click to download this video directly. Or if you are making a video in Chinese, you can also translate it into Chinese. Like me? Let's take a look again. How would it be if you made this in Chinese?
有1块1万美元的牛排和1块1美元的牛排。 艾丽不吃那块牛排，我就吃那块。这块看起来像呕吐物，希望她选那块。这看起来像呕吐物，所以希望她选那个。这块是一模块的。哦，他在看你。这可能是他问过的最好吃的牛排了。这是$1.1分的，你喜欢吗？哎，他已经在看了。不，看这个艾丽，你要哪一个？
This website, he converted video. The ability to translate videos is indeed very strong, and the effect is also very good. Some friends may ask, if you copy his videos on the website, so it's not an infringement. Of course, I also tell you that it is an infringement, because you violated his copyright in this video. How do we work with him? That is, we need to find these bloggers. We can work with him, convert his videos into multiple languages, then upload it to YouTube. Negotiate with him how to divide profit from these ad revenue. So, in a cooperative way, we come. Social Blade is a tool that allows you to, by detecting channel, its date a website. We see this as top lists. Just see the top 100 YouTube channels. Let's click to open. These are the top 100 YouTube bloggers. See all these channels. That is, his channel with the highest views. And this is MrBeast's channel. His channel ranks third in terms of views, but his ability to make money is the most powerful on YouTube. That is the most profitable channel. We can find the corresponding channels. We can find their bloggers. Find them to collaborate with when negotiating with him. That is, you can tell him. We can translate his channel videos into multiple languages. We can go to his channel homepage, find his contact information. We can see where to find his contact details. Contact the blogger, and then negotiate. They are a very successful channel in their own right, if it can be translated into multiple languages. So how many views does he have in other countries? It must also be very, very hot. This is the first way to make money. We can also make money through the second way. We can earn on Fiverr. The second way to make money. You can find it in my toolbox. Find a URL of this website. What we found on Fiverr are translated videos. We see these products above. They all help others translate videos. So these services, it is very popular, and I saw that the number of comments on this channel has reached more than 1,000. He can help you translate videos into multiple languages, and depending on the length of the video you want. Make money? That is, the revenue per minute. He just provides a translation video service. You can earn $10 per order. Relatively low service. Either $15 or $20. So he has more than 900 comments. What if we count his trading volume? That is, every 10 people. Maybe someone will make a comment. So if we calculate it this way, 2,000 USD for 100 orders. For 1,000 orders, he can calculate a profit of 20,000 United States dollars. Because you just need to copy and paste his video, or upload his video. Can be translated into multiple languages. And it's very simple, fast, and convenient, based on customer needs. You can provide a variety of translations, languages of multilingual countries. Provide such a service, and we see this service. Actually, it's not that popular. We search for such a translated video. There are just over 1,200 services in total. His demand for 5 is still very large. The competition is not very fierce. We only need to earn dollars through these two ways. You can definitely make very good profits, because after all you are just copy-pasting. You can make these short videos, and short videos are very popular now. Just need to cooperate with bloggers, or help provide translation video services to bloggers and customers. You can get very high profits from it. If today's topic, a little bit of help with your idea of making money on AI. I hope you get a free like for this video. If you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments section below. If I have the latest idea of AI making money, I will be the first time share with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.